So like I said, not business as usual, but even through Dharna, there is a lot being said. I want to bring in my colleagues Maushmi Singh and Piyush Mishra for the latest on that. Maushmi closely tracking what the opposition, the India bloc has been up to. Maushmi, tell me about the three big issues that the opposition continues to thrive on, raise it both inside and outside the parliament, even though the session constantly is getting adjourned.
Really, Pooja, the opposition knows that this monsoon session comes right close on the heels of the Bihar Vidhan Sabha elections. And that's one reason that SIR, the voter list revision, is one of its key highlights, key focus. Also, it is a binding glue between various opposition parties. And we saw how Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi today were standing and sloganeering in tandem at the Makar Dwar with all the other opposition MPs also, joining chorus. And that's what we're seeing a lot of pandemonium in the lower and the upper house also with the SIR issue. The other issue is Operation Sindoor and the foreign policy of India and how and what the Prime Minister has to say regarding that. Now, that was sorted out in the BAC meeting, and that is coming up for discussion in the upper and lower house next week. So, Operation Sindoor, and then later on they would in fact take up other issues like atrocities against women and the other burning issues that they think need to be addressed. But clearly, these two are the key focus areas, and that's why yesterday we saw even with that rain that the opposition MPs were protesting at Makadwar. There is another protest slotted, a march past of sorts from Parliament to Vijay Chowk or Jantar
Okay.
Mantar. But it's monsoon session, and perhaps they're waiting for a little better weather where they can do that march.
The monsoon session looks like it's getting washed off, but rainfall is not stopping our opposition leaders, at least, to organize this dharna. Piyush, how is the government then managing to rise against this, speak against this? Because the opposition clearly seems they are defiant, ready with their strategy, with their clothes, black bands, black jackets, opposition protests as well. How is the government then going about it?
Well, as far as the issue of SIR in Bihar is concerned, Pooja, the top sources in the government have confirmed to us that there will be no discussion on SIR. Why? Because the exercise is being conducted by the Election Commission of India, and government cannot speak on the behalf of Election Commission of India. ECI is an independent body, and no representative of ECI can come in Parliament, and that's why government cannot respond on the behalf of Election Commission of India, and that is the biggest reason that the discussion on SIR in Parliament will not take place. But the opposition political parties will continue to up the ante against the government over this issue because the Bihar polls are all set to take place. Remember that for the last 2 days we are seeing how at Makardwar the protests are taking place and the opposition is taking answers from the government. Though the government has agreed to have a discussion on the issues like Operation Sindoor and also income tax bill.
So next week there could be a discussion on Operation Sindoor, but at least for as long as session is getting adjourned, a lot is happening. Maushmi, yes, go ahead. I realize you need to make a pen.
I'll just say two lines,
Sure.
and I'm sorry to interrupt on that one. Piyush has been running pillar to post, doing tic-tacs of lots of MPs, and that's why he's mistakenly called you Aishwarya, because she's on the ground with us and instead of Pooja. So I apologize on behalf of my fellow reporter
I
there.
think that's perfectly all right because it's our India Today team of reporters on the ground covering the monsoon session as it is unfolding, and it takes a lot of hard work on the ground. No need for any clarification or apology. Thank you very much, Maushmi Singh and Piyush Mishra, as always.